Yeah, I fell off the roof and he fell right there, and I think.
And then I gave him a little CPR, and it came back to life.
Oh,
It's doing a lot better than it was.
At least
what are you going to do with it?
I don't know. Just
Bird whisperer.
huh?
The bird whisperer.
You just go put it on a tree,
Yeah, I think you're just.
and
maybe put
it might come back.
I bet there's got to be a
A nest.
nest or something up there.
There's a lot of chirping going on around here lately. A lot of chirping. And I know there's at
I
least
don't
one
want to
stuck.
leave it. I think I should walk around the store with it and then and then see how it
Just
is.
put it right here, just on your little shoulder.
Hello,
Here.
sweetheart. Oh, look at you.
Isn't it pretty?
Oh, pretty
I
bird.
know.
Oh, you're such a pretty bird. You had quite a shot there, didn't you?
His eyes are like this.
He's like, oh, I don't
Should we
feel
name him?
I don't feel so good.
You think it's a girl or a boy?
I don't know.
Boy.
I'm not.
Boys are the colorful ones, right?
Yeah, usually.